Very good then. Gentlemen. Gentlemen. You're welcome to my humble home. Let's go inside.
Oh, Oga, wait too. Hi. Oga, abeg. Where Jesus room dey for here because I sure say God na your neighbor.
And Jamaica and Jacob, let's say they stay for here. This place is too fine.
Oga, this your house fine. This your house fine, oh. See, it just be like say we dey heaven already.
Come, Papi. You no go lie respect yourself. You don't carry your village life. This year, no. Eh? If you no control this your mouth, we go find where food you keep.
Come.
You know where?
Oga, you see what I tell you, me show us where Jesus house dey and God, so that we go dey fear them. This guy to know they happen for here now.
Osa, Ibu, Keke, and Papi, gentlemen, please, you're welcome to my home. You're welcome. Let's go. Alright, gentlemen. Honey. How you doing?
I'm good. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Madam.
Hey.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Madam, well done. Greet you.
How are you?
Madam, greet you.
Young men.
Yes.
You're all welcome to my humble abode once again. This is my beautiful wife, okay?
Okay.
Honey?
Yeah.
These are the gentlemen I employ, okay?
Okay.
We have here from my left hand side, this is Osa.
Okay.
Then Mr. Ibu.
Okay.
And we have Keke here.
Okay.
And Papi.
Yes, Ogana me.
So, Abeg, come carry me go back to wait for carry me. I want die. I know what I Oga. Come carry me go wait for carry me, abeg.
Oga, no carry me go where you from carry me here. Abeg, ma just gas and go sleep.
Oga, you mean I say right there for here? Oh my thing don't go. Come on, my clothes.
No, young man. Is anything the problem?
No.
I don't understand you anymore. It is just an air conditioner, okay? Well, you all get used to it, okay?
Okay. No, you no get as one day get used to this thing, no. Eh? You want be Hamata inside your house now. Eh?
Oh my God. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
The food is ready, sir.
I'm not hungry yet.
Okay, sir.
Later, okay? Young men! What are you looking at?
You all are so funny. I must tell you, you all are so funny. Good and nice, you are here now. So let's get down to business. I'm gonna be starting with Ibu here.
Madam, you know my name?
Yes, I do.
Okay, not true.
Ibu, you'll be in charge of our gates. Alright?
Hey, madam, I think those are my business. If not serious, as I see the house, I don't say my own. I know they ever follow me to come. Thank you very much, madam.
Ibu, you're all good. In fact, get man fit you.
May God bless your family.
Thank you, same to you.
Okay, that's okay. Osa, you'll be our chef, okay?
Madam, why my own come different now? Why come be saying now where they keep plates, they keep spoon, they keep cup? Now you come keep me now.
Osa, that is not what I meant. I'm trying to tell you that you'll be our cook. You'll be in charge of the kitchen. Anything that comes from the kitchen will come through you.
Hey, madam, hey, you for just go me straight to the point. Tell me, say, na me go they cook the beans, they cook the mai, they fry the akara, the okpa, the okpo, the agidi. I like them.
Madam, no best. That is not enough. You look this way finish with this kind of head. Same way they for kitchen, they cook. But now this way will finish all the food. Even within 1 hour, I don't chop everything with this house. Food finish, you go enter brew. Chop all the brew. They tell you say they come out they teeth. You they chop and they madam change that.
Yes, so madam. Now through my brother talk. You see, as this head small like this, so only one finish the whole food with for this house.
It go still remain like this.
I tell you. Yeah, don't ever grow past the way. They not a big pass like that.
Madam, I beg. Okay, Mona just do like say una no hear us. Two of una. If I lose this war, I go kill una. And if I get this war, I go make sure say I use hunger come 10 years for my life. And if that one no do me, I go use 10 naira or tapia. Take 7 and go meet my grandfather.
You can, even if you want to have particulars, you know if you buy 5,000, 1,000, 10,000, come on 10 naira.
Young men, it's okay. The food in my house will be enough for all of you, okay? Please, no need for that.
Thank you, sir.
That's alright, that's okay. Papi here. You supervise the house. You be in charge of supervising the house. Okay? And
Thank you very much, madam.
No problem. And Keke here. Your duty will be cleaning up the compound and cutting of grasses.
Hey! Mama go bless you. You see anything when they for class, I do like her. If you go class, they make a tower.
No, it doesn't call for that. You don't need cutlass. We have tools you use in cutting grasses, okay?
Okay, wait first. Wait first. Which kind of play they won't play for this place, so? Wait, come here. Come here. So, you don't carry that your madness from this house, Abi? You see that person who do you this thing, no go ever better for him in Jesus' name. Amen.
Papi. If they find one kill you, I don't read my kill. So that's the way you do for someone other house. You want to put that for here? If you try you win vulture, not go create in it. You know what I kill you? If you try that thing for here, I will carry you big dog. You hear me now? And if dog, I pray that dog must eat your meat. But at times I see the wonder, they imagine waiting you, Papi, still do for this life. Hey, Papi. No, first. Okay, madam. No, just like so, no, here now.
It's okay. Okay, we're gonna leave us first. Okay. See, make I tell you, you see that thing will happen for 1960. Make you not allow it happen for you. Make you not repeat itself for you now.
What gonna leave now? That's what they make math. Wait happen 1960, make it happen. Wait happen.
You won't make it happen.
Every time.
Wait, you won't make it happen. Okay. I go keep person here. I go keep person here now. I go keep person here now.
This is where it will be staying. Yes.
Madam.
Yes.
You mean say 3 of us will sleep inside here?
This is your room.
Okay, madam.
What is it?
Madam, the room be like where they put my grandmother for hospital when she died.
Oh my God! You guys are so funny.
Madam, madam. I feel they sleep for here for passage here. Because if I sleep for inside this room, I don't get rest of mine. I beg, even this one will happen now, please don't leave me worry you. We have peace.
Okay. If you enter your room, the door by your left, that is your toilet and bathroom. So go in there and ease yourself.
Wonders shall never end. Huh? It be like say, what happened for our former Oga house? Now what happened for you again, so? Huh?
Papi, which former Oga house? Eh? Which former Oga house? You want to start to misbehave now for your madam? Eh? If you try am, what I will do, you not go like am. You don't forget something I needed this room. Eh? You don't forget. I go do you body work, or all of us go do you body work before you know your age.
What is wrong with the both of you? Why are you always fighting each other? Eh? And you, Dikeh, don't you know this man is old enough to be your father? Eh?
For real? You don't mind your own business. Eh? I think I will fly head, give her a job before you know your age.
You see, I don't even have your time. You know what? That's your room. Good night.
Okay, madam. See, Dikeh, you get luck, say, I dey in a very good mood. If not, I will break your bones.
Keep this now. Now, for village, they say this, you never use it once. Every small thing, you don't use them.
Oh, very soon I will use them for you.
Wait. Una know say una dey here, they make noise since morning. I no talk. Even for the presence of my.
Hey, you know what you want talk before? Since when I know you, one of us the day village. When you see where 2-3 people they talk, they fit talk.
And who bring your mouth?
This bad, this bad. Since village I carry am. As long as I carry am, so you take one for example. Drop am. Now there problem dey. Drop am.
No wahala na. More na dey.
See,
una like more na
make you mind your business, so. Since when you come become referee for our quarrel?
May go, may finish am.
Let yourself.
Ibu.
You Grace?
Will you go and open the gate for my sister? She wants to go out.
You know the respect person office?
I said, yes, go and open the gate for her.
Come on. That English now for me. For another person waiting somewhere.
I said, will you go and open the gate for my sister?
Come. If you like best or if you like shout, you know concern me for your pocket too. Madam.
What is going on here now? Come and open the gate. I'm going out.
Okay, madam.
Auntie, who is this fool that refused to open the gate?
Come on. Madam. Now because of you make me leave this girl, is she your daughter or your sister? Now she never me for this, I won't go make her they talk to me like that.
Ibu, don't worry. Just go and open the gate. This is my new gate man, Ibu. And this is my younger sister, Linda.
Okay, madam.
Don't mind her, Just go and open it.
Madam, no, madam.
Linda, I'm going out, So you take care of the house.
This now. See, everything here just be the same thing. How will they use this thing now? Waiting our plan come here with this one. You can't problem this. Have you? Make I go outside go buy stove or firewood, come use the cook here. This is like this kind of thing.
What if you say you did do so? No, your grandmother.
You see, no bring my grandmother matter come kitchen. Now this thing, I just dey here since the thing just dey look me like cow head. I don't know which side I go use cook, which side I don't know.
Oops, no be waiting at the think now they happens.
You know what you dey think now. But don't forget, say as you think what you know supposed think, thunder go fire you.
Eh? She be you say you be cook. Ordinary gas now you know fit also.
I say I dey cook. See, it be like you know they like play. So just because say I can't play with you now, you don't believe wetin I dey tell you. You dey so how you look me finish. You feel say I no fit on gas. You no ask question. You no ask question. I be professional cooker. I don't cook for governor, cook for senator, cook for president, cook for Gaddafi. In fact, I don't cook for only that day's imagination. Now me cook for them. Go ask. Like browse them, you go see them. So no go think say I know sabi cook. My problem now is say all these people who I cook for, if you see gas where I use cook for them, my trailer carry and come. So this one now, if I won't use them, only water and egg I feel manage. Use one, this one now cook. So I beg, go tell Oga, say me, the chief cooker, say this one too small for me. I no go use them.
Now you know. Come make I tell you, if you burn Madam pot for you, if you burn anything for this house, Madam go kill you.
Madam will kill you.
I won't help you. I won't help you all the guys. But since you say you sabi honor, okay, the honor now, you dey form cook. You be cook now.
So that's why I have to take for my hand for you. I can't be this ordinary house girl when they show me how to use gas. Hi. It's not for cook. Oh boy, you hear Amo? As me and you there here now, if you know as you want to do and make a cook now, you go on. No. I know they follow you play. Oh yeah, come on. Hello. Hello, fire. Hey, come out. Come out. I know say they there. Come outside. You know the help. What on? I beg.
This one, you are looking at me like that. Are you okay?
I okay. I cook for kitchen. But I think I don't come here. I can tell you something which is very important.
What is it?
See, I leave the thing where I cook. See, make I come here. I can tell you, say.
What?
Say.
What is it?
Nah, come from kitchen. Come make I tell you, say.
What? Speak out.
Say.
What is it?
Oh, okay. No verse. Say I disturb you. I go kitchen back. Make I go think am as I think am before. If I remember am, I go come back and tell you. No verse. They here. They watch TV. Yeah.
Work for this house.
You don't know my work. You don't know my work. I don't blame you now. How you go take know? How you go take know my work when you never know your own work? You never know what they do for this house.
Now laugh and they laugh. Now laugh and they laugh. I dey suspect you. Now you know.
You dey suspect me. You dey suspect me. Police. You don't become police. I said, Namino. I know, say, Namino now. But wait, to make I tell you something. Make I warn you. Make I warn you well. You see, for this house, no be your face I can't look for this house. No be you I can't work for this house. So I beg, I just go beg you. Mind your business. All of us go office for this house. Mind your office. Mind your head office, mind your zonal office, mind your branch. Because if you disturb me again, I will use hunger finish you. No forget, say na me be the chief cook for this house.
You never reach like that now.
Never reach.
I beg. No best.
You don't no best. Because I don't talk food now. So you like food. See as you round. Try me next time. You go see what I go do you. Yes. Come on here. Cover you with me. You just say go. Which kind of wahala is this? I know stay for this room again. Go. Give me gold.
Mona press me. This Amata too much. Mona press me.
Awesome, my man. How far now?
Who show you road enter this kitchen?
Osa, why they ask me this kind of question now? Eh? Look, me and you there for this compound again. Waiting there. I beg, I want chop. Are they hungry?
You dey hungry? Wait first. Now me and you dey talk.
But now me and you there here now. Be another person disappear come here. Ghost no there here now, my man. Eh? I beg, are they hungry now? Give me a small thing, make a chop.
You know what they do? I don't notice say this thing why they tell you know they enter your ear. This thing why they tell you since you know they hear. But if you no come out for this kitchen now where they talk to you now, where me and you they see now, I go up now, go tell Oga say you enter kitchen here, can't see.
Osa, why you do like this now? At least me and you be man. Eh? But I don't thief any meeting. I don't be now just walk enter here because I'm hungry. I bet my belly do empty. Help me now. I chop small.
You never eat. They ask me whether I carry meat. No worry. I know what thing they do. Now because when I cook finish, I go full cooler, carry give you, you go eat. You no can't get sense. I make you come on for your office, your branch, where you dey. You carry your 2 leg with your red cap, enter here. Come they find food. No worry. I go reduce. Waiting I go give you. I go they give you now. And waiting dog eat remain. No worry yourself. No worry.
Hey, Osa, why they talk like this now? Eh? You don't forget say me I be chief security. You don't see my cap. If they give me small for you know say you no go work. But no problem now. As we don't talk like that, you know say I still be your man. But if you cook finish, call me make I come. As you no want give me this small way they pot. No problem. Make I dey go now.
No worry. The dad. See as he dress. Papa Lolo.
Rosa, my fairly used friend. Hey, Alpha.
Wait.
Nothing. Nothing. I would quarrel.
You dey ask me when I would quarrel.
I just make I come back and greet you. Whether you get anything with FFP or any food when you eat me, I know man.
I know. See, you know say I don't dey watch you for this house. You don't tell why I dey watch you for this house. Because I know say your work for this house now to the gossip they go give madam. But I say make I warn you. Make I warn you. Any day where you go gossip about me, give madam. Hi. You see as you fresh so fat, you go get kwashiorkor within 1 week. Hi. Because see, the food wey I go dey give you eat for this house, na dog food. You know as dog food dey be. Na so na wetin you go chop. So use your head.
I beg. Even if you want punish me, no use food. I take go beg you. No verse. May I go here, madam. I don't know say when I take on you the verse. Make I just go when your man don't come, if you come back.
No.
When your man don't come,
go. Come, man, find chair give you. No, come.
Now you sit down, man.
Come, man, find chair give you. No go. Idiot. Stupid boy. I don't just. Which kind wahala be this? Which kind wahala be what this one? Every time everybody, no only this small office, everybody go they like come. Especially that small one we just come on here now. Once food done, they don't come. I don't know which kind of Bluetooth nose we get.
Keke, what are you doing?
Okay. Now,
what are you doing? You are touching my laps.
I decrease. Now those are clean.
Touching my laps.
I clean lap for the channel.
You are touching my laps.
What's happening here?
He's touching my laps.
Touching your laps?
Yes.
Now those are clean.
Chee! Come. Now who you help?
I dey help am clean doors for her lap.
When you call the help person, they clean laps. Huh?
Na my oga carry me for village come, so I say.
Oh boy. So now indomie and egg wey I dey cook since wey I dey eye to chop. Now you can't use your hand they touch. Hey, my friend, stop that rubbish talk, Jerry. Which kind of TikTok with that one? So now girl when I dey high. Now your mind come dey happy? Huh?
So na madam sister una dey here dey drag. Abi una dey drag madam sister. Me na dey here dey drag o. I dey go tell madam. I dey here.
Madam, you saw the talk na close, abi? Okay. No wahala. See this house. Come here. Wait. At times, I dey wonder whether your papa come from this same country where me sef I come.
Now wetin make you stop me? No, now which kind talk come be this one now?
See, make I tell you, as I dey see you so, your way not just pure at all. And which kind of human being you be sef? So, now madam, sister, when I dey reason for inside this house, now you sef you dey put your eye for her body. Which kind of human being you be?
Come, Papi, I don't understand. Why you pour me all these insults? You get with me and you dey drag for this house? You get with me dey drag?
See this one, me and you dey drag with him. See, make I tell you, the problem when I dey get, na that boy wey dey for inside kitchen, wey dey plan to kill us. Make we gather hand plan, kill this boy.
No, me.
Not be you. Okay, check am now. See the way he take owe you for madam sister for his high parlor there. He did good. Who kill this guy? Why did you do like this?
That one I follow, but I no fit kill. I don't want.
You no fit kill?
No, because I don't want to sing in 35 now. I beg, leave that poor boy.
Hey, I thought I say nothing did this your brain. In fact, you know just nothing did this your brain at all. Everywhere just empty. Okay, make I ask you now. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 2. 4. 4 plus 4.
Say what happen. They put me for you and make my teacher. When they ask me 1 plus 1, 2 plus. Not try am. She can't talk.
Hey.
1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6.
Which kind of new boy be this one? Why this boy useless like this? Just simple thing. We kill this boy.
Thing don't do okay now.
Ibu!
Oga.
Ibu!
Where is the mechanic?
See him here.
Okay, young man, are you done with the car?
I don't finish. I see this car like this, no place spoil again.
Very good. Okay, you go inside. Get my briefcase.
Okay, Oga.
All right. Go inside. Meet Keke. Collect your money from him.
Thank you, sir.
Keke, your guy say me give my money where he give you make you work for me.
Keke, your guy say me give my money make you work for me. You not get respect. Who even tell you my name na Keke?
That's not that tell me now.
And see the way they call him. See this boy as I dey look like this, I dey see key. You sure say you do my oga motor well?
I do am well. Give my money now.
Make anything not do my oga and the family o. Because what I will do, you no go like me. Now I go pay your money. How much be the money?
11,000.
11,000 for only you.
Give my money.
I dey come. No go anywhere, just stay here. This one wey dey look everywhere, they look my oga and my pam. May not touch anything. 11,000. Stand there or not touch anything. So you had to work everywhere. Rosa, what's happened? Sorry, they do like farm when they beat. Right?
Oh, one of the like this thing we do.
Now, so your man let start.
Who they like that? No, they talk nonsense. No, you go to do something with that girl. No go reduce on her voice small to like 5. They shall now they kitchen forget say I dey call pepper now. Come here 2,000 and something. Won't enjoy it. Well, me fan, no they laugh.
If they come here, come put hand of pepper for inside your nothing. Now what you find? Now what you price market now you buy? Oh, I'm working with you, okay too.
Oh, it increase, come that go fire you with kettle there.
As if you say you don't buy like that, chop am.
Even my family use friend. Check my old friend. This is why we come here today again. I don't know.
I work.
Which kind of question be that one again? Not me and you in this house. I've been on the scene in the afternoon. So you know say ground no level like this, say food never did. I bet park your side or I bet.
My fellow use friend. You know best, na me fa tell you. See, you get showing me how you go run. No, yeah.
I talk him. I talk him now. Which show again you carry come? Come. May no be saying a woman won't carry come here again. No. This time around, you know go happen. No. You know go happen. I don't tell you.
Hey! If finally you don't wife. So finally you don't wife.
No, I go leave them for you.
How you tell me?
Okay, see what thing go happen now. As I tell you now, I won't tell you so. Anything we want to do now, you know concern me. Anyhow, we don't play them. You go be 50-50. You tell this one, me I collect this one. Whether you like them or not. I beg. 50-50.
No, Allah. 50-50, I agree.
I lie. You see, this thing one that they talk here, it no go happen for this house.
Waiting can carry you come here again. Your work don't finish.
Mini waiting. You no go happen. Mini waiting. Now your papa get house. I be when they come out from village. Your father you say get house when you build for city. One big house. If you like say you don't know your office again.
Come on, leave am. Wait, come. This one where you come, I beg. At the age, food done ready. I don't brush my mouth. They wait for the food.
See. Make a 12 now. This thing go on as it down here. Gather leg, gather head, gather hand together at the top. It no go happen for this household because this time, ear way here and eye way see must solo chop. You must chop now.
Hey!
You must chop.
I talk am. Wonders can never end. So wetin the hungry short man? Still the hungry tall man?
Come. I beg, you don't do. Leave am. If you know the hungry as I dey so, if you say my belly don't flat, come on, I beg, food done ready. No, come carry am. What you bring and give us?
Food never ready, na me ready. No be your mate, they get 6 pass.
Now this your dove waka wey dey waka, now I don't understand.
Okay, full am, I beg, may you bring my.
Abi.
Man, no way on that day come back.
Hey. Guy resemble Akin Popo.
You know go talk the one wey resemble you. Say resemble Akin Popo. See this guy.
But still they worry you know. You see the guy say he get beers the way me I get beers.
I like that shirt on that boy wear. See the shoe set.
What are you people doing here?
We dey watch TV now.
With who?
You blind? I be you know they say I dey watch TV with person.
Old man like you, they misbehave like him. You were supposed to teach her what he go do. What if they turn this house to?
Hey, baby. No verse, no worry. I'll fix things. I'll put everything where they're supposed to.
Will you keep quiet? Who asked you? Look at this one. You were even worse, pass. Eh? Wait, so why you dey follow me? Why you dey pushing me around?
That one. If na that one, myself, I don't know, I don't forget.
I beg, not mind her, Jerry. Not be her fault, now so they train them. So they train them.
Now so they train you. I don't warn you. Every time you go, they run your mouth. You know, go keep this man at one place. If you try and show this guy for where I be, which I will do, you don't believe her.
Come here. Come here. Now, who they follow talk to like that? Eh? I want you to bring that one now. Come. If like say you want to make her land this blow for your face now.
Papi. This thing when I talk, now I don't reach for this one.
Well, get out from here. Make you try me for this house.
Every time I show you the show, so now you get for apart. The day when you go make me forget, use my hand kill you.
Okay now. Just they try me for this house, so. They try me for this house. You go see me very soon.
Before we talk, man, you fed the home here.
They try me now.
In fact, one day I go beg your grandma, and I made a just rule set for me and you.
Okay.
Make your display.
That day you go see me.
Come. They tell you say I dey fast for this house.
Which kind of question come be that one? I be this place resemble church for your eye.
Osa?
Eh?
So you get black mind like this? I don't know say your mind black. No, wetin come happen? You know how come dey give me food for this house again? Eh? Wetin I do? Wetin happen?
Bring that music from the phone.
No be music I talk now, they follow the year round. No be that one carry me come. No, they ask me that kind of question. You hear me now? Osa?
Check that music.
So you dey go abi? Hey. So this boy no know say me I get hot temper. Say I fit kill her with my single bone. No wahala. Make I just do me as you.
Baby girl, you killing me slow. You killing me slow. Whenever I see your backside, they touch my soul. Baby girl, you killing me slow. You killing me slow. I want you to know that. I'll make you feel alright, girl. I want you to know that. I'll make you feel alright. I'll make you feel alright. Feel alright. I'll make you feel alright. Feel alright. I want all night. I want all night. I want all night. Hey. I want all night. Pretty girl. Hey. Thank God it's Friday. Yeah. Wanna take you on the ride. If you give me your love, I will take. I will never let you go. For the night, all for the night. Take on alright, all for the night. Party as we go, all for the night. Anything for you, my girl, I will do. Yeah. I want you to know that. I'll make you feel alright, girl. I want you to know that. I'll make you feel alright. I'll make you feel alright. Feel alright. I'll make you feel alright. Feel alright. I want all night. I want all night. I want all night. Hey. Pretty girl, eh.
Cognix.
shit! Hi. You can't sleep, you sleep when you wake up.
Why you go wake me now? Why you go wake me? See better dream why they dream now, they enjoy for inside day for party, day for big mansion. Eh? And you even follow the enjoy for the mansion, you can't wake me.
Yeah.
Hi. No, they try this kind of thing again. I better go. May I so that I continue. Hi.
You go better say you go back, continue this dream with the dream. Because food don't done. So you go choose between the mansion where you say the dream and food.
Mansion and food.
I don't tell you my own.
Hi. I don't already under the dragon. May I leave this gym? I don't know whether it will work. Now if I chop, maybe if I chop, I will come back.